We will write a hello world, a very simple program. But before that, you need to understand the main. The purpose of the main is that it's an entry point into your program. So when you run your program, your compiler is looking for a method as an entry point into your program. So you give your code that you wrote in the binary form, which is called the bytecode, over to the compiler, and then it gives it to an interpreter, which is called JIT, just-in-time interpreter. So Java is one of those languages that takes help from compiler and then interpreter. Compiler will take your initial code, which is your source code, and will convert that into a bytecode. And then the bytecode is given to an interpreter to run it for you. Okay, so now when you're looking at the main method, think of it as an entry point into your program. Since the main method is at the class level, therefore it has the word static. Main is at the class level, that's why it has the word static. Void means it is not returning any value back, and public means because it's public, accessible to everybody. And this is the argument or the parameter. Okay, now, if I want to talk to my machine from Java, I will call a special built-in class called system with an uppercase S. Remember, all the classes in Java start with an uppercase letter. Just like hello world I wrote, notice I uppercase the H and uppercase the W because all words, first letter is uppercased. Okay, so system is one word, first letter uppercase, period. Means now I want to go inside the class system. And I want to look for an object called out, which is actually an object of print stream type. Dot. It has a method called print, which will let me print something on the screen, provided I put it in double quotes. So hello world. Now, once you're done with this, make sure you save the changes. After you're done saving the changes, it's time to run it. The easiest way to run would be, you see this big green circle with a white play button in it? You click on that play button, and you should see the output down in the console.